boot scrubbers. To use Meritech boot scrubbers, start by stepping up to the platform. The scrubbing cycle begins automatically via photo eye sensor. All Meritech boot scrubbers can operate bidirectionally, so you may enter from either side. To ensure effectiveness, place shoes on the grate in the middle of the station so that the soles of your shoes are in the middle of the brushes. Slowly walk through the station, allowing 6 to 8 seconds of contact time, while holding the handrails to maintain balance. As the brushes spin, water and sanitizer are dispersed to clean the footwear. Carefully step off the platform onto the floor. The cycle will end automatically. Proceed with caution as the bottoms of footwear may be slippery.